Toyota has taken the covers off the 2021 Tundra, Tacoma, 4Runner, and Sequoia TRD Pro lineup, and the big change you're going to notice first is the new Lunar Rock color, which replaces the army green I like so much from 2020. I actually took a Tundra TRD Pro out hunting last year and did not want to give that truck back. Beyond the new Lunar Rock paint, there are some other changes worth looking into, specifically on the 4Runner TRD Pro. Lighting improvements are substantial on the 4Runner, as the SUV is now equipped with LED headlights, high beams, and fog lights. There are also some performance improvements on the 4Runner, notably a set of trick-looking TRD Flowform wheels, which Toyota says are both more rigid and stronger, though to be fair, it'd be weird if they said they were more flexible and weaker. Wrapped around those new Flowform wheels are a set of Nitto Terra Grappler tires. Those are solid tires, though we would have preferred the more off-road focused Ridge Grapplers here. Completing the updates on the 4Runner TRD Pro are retuned 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass shocks on all four corners. As for the 2021 Tundra, Tacoma, and Sequoia TRD Pro, the only change you're going to see is that new Lunar Rock paint. So if you were hoping to see a new transmission in the Tundra, you're going to have to wait at least a little while longer.